Hi friends, how are you? I'm fine. And in this video we are creating level 3, so let's continue. First we need to copy level 1 by clicking in this icon, and you can see there are 5 options, but we will click new scene full copy. Then we will rename it level 4, level 3. Then select the camera, select the viewpoint of our camera. We need bigger platform, so we are minimizing our camera. Then select the platform and press S for size and press Shift Z. Now duplicate the points so it will be more interesting. Now we are creating level 3, and in this level we are creating moving obstacles. So let's make press Shift A, add a mesh cube, then move to Z axis into ground. Then move where you want, and I need to move here, so I will move to here. So then we are duplicating this by pressing Shift D, Y axis, and move to Z axis. Resize our object and press Z, size the object to Z. So let's try the game. When we climb to this object, when we jump, and see it jumping to this object. Now we need to make it move by itself, so we need to make animation. You can see it's written 1 cube. It's a frame that it's written 1. So press I to insert a keyframe and select location. Now move the frame to 40. Then move the object by pressing G, Y axis 5 and -5. Now 6 is good. Now left click, again press I, select location, and again press first we need to move keyframe or frame, so move to 80. Now move the moving object by pressing G, Y axis 6. Now it's good. Press enter and again press I, select location, when we play, you can see it's not moving because we didn't enter nothing to this object. So select cube, add sensor always, add actuator, action. Select the animation, change the action type, loop end, and select and write the starting frame 1 and end frame. If we didn't write this, the object will not move. Now join always and action. Then when we play, you can see it's moving. But you can see there is nothing to interact with this object. So we will press Shift A and not Shift A. Just we will copy this cube by pressing Shift G, Y-axis, and resize the object by pressing S, Z-axis, and now we will put point on the top of this object. Now add color to our object. We need different color for our moving object, so I will select dark green. Now play the game. You can see the object is moving, and the player collects the point. So that's good, and this is complete level C, but one thing is also not good, so I will show you what is not good. When we collect coin, you can see when we collect 5 points, it moves to level 2 because we copy level 1. Now we need to change the types of empty. We select empty, and not empty, we will select the character. Move to layer 2, so you can see we are in level and layer 2, and we have selected player. So we need to change property. First we need to count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now go to layer 2 and change the value to 8, and change the scene also by clicking the new scene, full copy. We are not creating level 4 today, but we have only name it level 4. So we will move to level 3 and it will move to level 4. For example, I move this point, and when we go to level 3, close this. When we play level 3, you can see we collect coins. When we collect this coin, it moves to level 4. So that's the tutorial for today. Now next video will be how to make a main menu in Blender game engine. So it will be part 4, will be part 5. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the video. For more videos, go to For Beginners channel.